Nacon Daija Arcade Stick Review. After trying the Nacon Daija Arcade Stick, believe it to be the ultimate arcade stick for PS5, and a definite choice for fighting game fans. With its A-grade components, extensive customizability, and aesthetic touches, it stands out among other options on the market. However, its cost could give some gamers pause. In my opinion, Daija's price is very expensive. As of now, you can buy an Xbox Series S console, so for the same amount of money, you can get the console plus 1 year of Xbox Game Pass Unlimited and even an extra controller. Even though it may not seem like the Daija Arcade Stick is worth the money at first glance, this review will prove that it's not just that straightforward. Opening up the Nacon Daija reveals an aesthetically pleasing design with a black and white dual tone featuring a snake top plate. RGB effects are too often over the top and busy, but this is not the case with the Nacon Daija. The snake design can be swapped out for a simplified one that is included, just by taking the top plastic cover off. The Daija box even comes with a template for Nacon's button and stick layout, making it easy to paste your own graphic designs on, then cut them so they can fit the Daija. In terms of other design features, the Daija has a large, dimpled wrist rest that runs along its front. This wrist rest has a rough texture to keep wrists from slipping when entering commands in-game. Additionally, like the 8-Sanwa micro-switched buttons and arcade stick, this wrist rest is black. The arcade stick includes a black dust base plate and black ball top handle, but if you prefer it, the kit also includes a black bat top handle. At the center on top of the plate is a control panel containing a large PlayStation button, a profile select button, and a locking switch. Besides these are narrow LED lights that show if the Daija is powered on and which profile is chosen. Along the side of the Daija is an additional control panel that includes all typical DualSense controls, like a touchpad, start button, screenshot button, R3, and L3. These side panels also have a top plate release button, which can be pressed at the same time in order to free the top plate and provide access to the interior parts of the gaming device. The Daija only features one port, a USB Type-C port located at the center of its lower back side, which connects it to PS5s, PS4s, and PCs. A 300 cm long braided cable also comes with the Daija, stored away in its case within a specialized cable storage area. Once the Daija is opened, its internal design and components become visible. A black control box serves as its main controller, which has a wiring diagram on top showing which cable connects to each button in different colors. In front of the control, the box is a recess where gamers can store small items like extra stick tops, shafts, and gate sandwiches. Ahead of it is another compartment with a spare bat top and tool for modification. Nacon deserves a lot of praise for the Daija, which comes with its own tool which makes it easy to modify components and design. Every arcade stick gamer loves customizing their sticks, thus Nacon is really making it as straightforward as possible. Kudos to them. The Japanese arcade component maker Sanwa's premium S-rank stick and buttons can be connected to the control box via a cable plug. The stick comes with a square restrictor gate, which is commonly used by pro gamers and is generally the standard in the arcade stick industry. However, if you opted to use an octagonal gate instead, it can be done in just 30 seconds. With the removal of just 4 screws, the stock Sanwa stick of this device can quickly be taken off and replaced with something else like a Seimitsu component if desired. This took me some time to get used to, as it meant more precise hand movements were required for me to execute special or super moves. It is possible to lengthen the stick's shaft with a third-party extender, yet doing so would defeat the advantages of the short throw, faster actuation inputs and potentially greater